Hey, what's up guys? Bob here. You ever just wake up for a fishing trip and you're like, it's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna have success. I'm gonna catch some fish. I'm feeling good. That's where I'm at right now. So that's the hope. Get on some fish today. I've got a few industrial park ponds I'm going to. I've been there before. I've caught some fish there before. I've been fishing a lot lately, but the bite has been extremely slow. We've had a lot of high waters and flooding and all kinds of stuff, and it seems like I just haven't been at the right place at the right time. So today's that day where things change. So let's get out there. I got about 15 more minute drive, and I'm gonna meet up with my boy Brandon, and yeah, hopefully find us some fish. All right, first cast of the day. Is it? See, I knew it was going to be those. Brandon with the first fish of the day. Not going to complain with that, dude.
I got him good too.
So that tells me right there exactly what I need to be throwing. Yep. There we go. Got him that time. He's a little bit smaller than yours. A lot of bit smaller than yours. But I'll take it. There we go. First guy of the day. Not horrible. Not huge. But let's keep rolling. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That's a chunker. Oh no. Stop. There we go. Look at that hog. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got some weight.
3.92, so basically a 4-pounder like I've caught 4 times now, which is my personal best that I cannot seem to get past. But look at that, dude. That thing's a pig.
Yeah, he is.
Look at that belly.
He put up a good fight too.
He was, and he again, super slow. Not aggressive at all. Gosh, dude. Nice 4-pounder right off 10 feet out of the shore.
That's a good one. Oh, swim jig. Yeah, Brandon. Guys, that thing is another fat one. That might be over 4. I'm gonna have to weigh this one. That's a big fish. Look at that. I had a good feeling about today. We're not done yet though, so it's still early. Gonna keep plugging away. It's been a while since I caught a fish, but just switching it up, trying to figure out what they like. That was just a white swim jig with a Cabela's trailer on it, just a swim bait, yellow and tan or something like that. So yeah. That's just a cheap Cabela's one they had on sale, but I liked the colors, so got that. Let's try to get another one. We're 8. Brandon with another one. 3rd of the day. No, I want you to have it, dude. There we go. Another 3-pounder. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'll come your way. Guys, this is ridiculous. Damn, dude. I was coming your way. You didn't have to walk.
I was heading this way.
Gosh.
He's got length, that's for sure.
He's got that belly.
Yeah. Oh, he's been caught. Or is that your hook set?
My hook set. 3.5. Damn.
Yeah, you're fighting on 4, huh?
Yeah, I've been doing that for years. Look at that, guys. Gosh. That's sexy, dude. This is why we fish. What an awesome day of fishing. Obviously, you guys could see it yourself. A lot of nice sized bass. I don't know what the total was between Brandon and I, but we did catch a bunch of them, and they were all a good size, and that's a really good thing. The key for the day was a white swim jig. I had multiple different trailers I put on them, all little swim baits, 3 to 4 inch swim baits, Kitech, even a Cabela's brand, like I said in there. Always got to have some kind of trailer on the end of your swim jig. It works out really good, gives it that extra pop, and the fish go crazy. That white swim jig, man, just been really successful. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I've been crazy busy. Work has been absolutely ridiculous with the world being the way it is, in the industry I'm in. It's putting a lot more work on me, and I've worked more hours and haven't had as much time to edit video and stuff like that. I've been doing the lures too. So making lures and selling lures, that's taken up a lot of my time as well. So I've kind of struggled to find time to edit, but I'm going to put them up when I can. And I hope that you guys enjoy them when I do put them up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Do me a favor, give the thumb a like, or the video a thumbs up, or like, I don't even know. Leave a comment below. Let me know you stopped by. Anyways, thank you guys for the support, and we'll talk to you soon.